this video I want to show you why this water wall had a problem. Actually, it's not my own water wall, it's from a competitor, but the customer needed help from me, so I went there to help them fix the problem. And the problem was that they had this white stripe on that brown water wall. You can see it in this picture, and they didn't know why, where it came from, so we had to move up and take a look at the water distribution. Frankly, being in 15 meters height makes your guts shake a little bit, but after a time I got used to that, and yeah. Okay, so we went up and we removed that cover and we took a look inside the water distribution, and we found out that at this particular area there must have been a time where there was no water at all, but we still didn't know why was the other part darker than the parts before. Well, we had a couple of theories, but none of them really made final sense. But then at the end, luckily, I found an expert who is working 30 years with such water walls of this producer, and he has really a ton of experience with the surfaces. And yeah, I talked to him and I asked him if he's going to help me with this customer, and he said yes, okay. And we went there together, and he told me that he has some tricks how to fix that, and believe it or not, he really fixed it. And actually it was not like we removed the white stripe here. Actually, we cleaned the whole water wall. Yeah, we put some secret stuff inside the water circulation, and this helped us remove the brown color. Here you can see me in 15 meters height cleaning the water wall and removing all the brown stuff so that the water wall looked nice and shiny again. Here you can see still some brown parts which we had to brush. So actually we brushed both water walls. I think we needed for each side like 5 hours, because we had to do this with this machine, so it took it time, but we finally made it. Let me show you how the dirt went off. I've been brushing like 1 meter, and we had to stop the water from floating across the surface, because if I would brush it with the water, we would have dirt all over the place. So we stopped the water, brushed, then we started the water, and when the water comes, you can see how it removes the brown color from the surface of the water wall, and so it became clean again. So actually you can see it, yeah, pretty nice here. So here's the dark, not brushed part, and here's the part which I have brushed after my genius expert has put some water additive which has removed this mysterious brown color from that surface. And here you can see my friend showing me his genius Waterwall professional mobile phone, which can measure the humidity, the temperature, and also the parts, the chemical parts in the air. So this mobile phone can measure if the air is clean or not. And by the way, this mobile phone is also keeping track of the data according to humidity and temperature, etc. So it's really a professional mobile. If you want to build water walls, it looks like you need some one like that. And now wait, now it comes. It has also a heat camera, so it shows the different temperatures in the room, and what you can see is that the water wall itself is much cooler than the surroundings. So yellow is warm, and violet is violet is cold. And By the way, this mobile phone is also waterproof, so if you work on a water wall and you drop it accidentally inside a tank, it will still work. So after all, I'm pretty happy that this water wall is yeah, working again or looking nice again, because the customer was pretty frustrated as there was nobody helping him with this white area on the surface. And yeah, it's a really wonderful big water wall, as you can see. This combination of green wall and water wall, it's really amazing. And if you get inside that building and you see the first thing you see is the green wall and the water walls, it's really super cool, amazing, and you really get a feeling of nature. Yeah, it was hard work, but the customer is happy. That's important. And so I hope you have enjoyed that video. And if you want to learn how to build such water walls without having the problem of white stripes, because you know the crazy thing is this is a competitor of mine, and he's building such incredibly expensive water walls, because guess what? This is 100% has been sold not below 200 or 300,000 euro. I'm absolutely sure about it. I don't have the price yet, but I can tell you this is a real expensive water wall setup what we have here. And it's, you know, it's sad that such big projects where you would expect that it's really thought through and tested, that they fail because they have a poor water distribution. Because if you use the water distribution they have used, I could show you the details, but you know it can't work if you do it like that. I don't know why those guys did it like that. That's the one thing. And the other thing is that yeah, why does it get brown? You know, because the customer did it according to the supplier's instructions, and still he got this brown colors, and it makes absolutely no sense to go there and brush and clean the water wall for hours. This should stay clean by itself. Okay, so if you want to learn how to build such water walls without having those frustrations, you're very welcome to subscribe at wawazen.net, our water wall school. We will help you to build such water walls for yourself or to start a business. So I hope you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you go to wawazen.net and subscribe there for free. You will get there a free course to learn the basics about water walls. And yeah, maybe we will see each other soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.